What is up, YouTube? I'd like to welcome y'all to Rider's Choice. It's going to be a series where we talk to different people about what they ride and why they ride. From sports bikes to cruisers to people who like to go fast to people who like the back roads. This is just going to be a way for people to get on, and for even new riders, you can take a look, take a listen, and see the different motivations behind people getting on bikes, behind people fixing them, whether it is they like customizations, any of these things that fall into this lifestyle, life choice that we've made to be on two wheels. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like to be on, hit me up, give some feedback, leave a comment, and let me know exactly how you feel, good, bad, ugly. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help us get the channel growing, man. Please and thank you.